For the local aspiring filmmakers out there, you may want to take note on a few upcoming production workshops. Francisco Pardo has written, produced, and directed a few films. His work has garnered him several awards, locally as well as internationally. His artistic drive has sparked demand from the community for him to instruct a few workshops. He will be conducting 3 in total. The first will focus on teaching filmmakers how to work with the material they have.
The production workshop, you will learn how to produce your film with the available resources that we have in Aruba, because we know that we don't have the necessary resources, like for example facility that renting cameras and lighting equipment, post-production facility, and so we plan this workshop so people that actually want to know how to make it happen can still make it happen with the available resources.
Script writing for films will be the second workshop, which is more technical. The third workshop is all about directing. Francisco says he is hoping these workshops will encourage and mold talented local filmmakers.
This workshop is designed to help people to make it happen, even that there is not enough resources to do it creatively, and to improve their craft. And it's important for Aruba because it also elevates the quality of films.
Ah, você esse birunhão com mandushi, ah? Tá rende uma roça, tu traiu bonita.
To find out the dates, costs, and any additional information regarding the workshops, go to www.audiovisualinstitute.com.